How's it going, everyone? Today we are going to do a little shop update. What's in the shop today? We got the 66 Le Mans shop build in here. We're doing an LS swap on this one. We basically got to finish up the wiring, the coolant system, and interior. And then we've got to get it tuned up and we'll be ready to roll this thing. We've also got this 1980 MG MGB in here, which is for sale right now. It came in with runnability issues and we did a carb tune on it. And then we've got this 2004 Mitsubishi Eclipse Spider GT. This one come in with an oil leak. We found that it had the valve covers leaking and both oil pans leaking, upper and lower. And then last but not least, we've got a 2005 Ford F-150 in here. Got towed in for a no start and needs a starter basically. We got a Hunter under there going to town. Thanks for checking this out, guys. Stay tuned for progress videos.